Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter School for Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Java topic today, which is constructor. I know we did constructor a lot of time, but today is gonna be something different. So I'll just start with an example. I'll just create a class. Let's name it first, and let's define a constructor in it. So it'll be like, and let's say it just prints out first class. So for doing that, we have to use like system.out.println. Now what I'll do, I'll create two more classes. Let's say other classes second. It also has a constructor, and it also does the same. Instead of printing first class, it just prints out second class. And one more thing, let's make it a child class or first class. Now what I'll do, I'll create one more class. Let's say third, and let's say it extends second class. Let's create a constructor in it also. It does, it just prints out third class. In this main method, what I'm trying to do is I'll just create an object of class third class. So let's see what is the output. So you try to figure out what should be the output. Like, it is not very complicated. You already know what constructor is. I already told you in previous video. You can take a look at it if you don't know about it. Yeah, so try to figure out what should be the output. You have 5 seconds to pause the video and answer in the comment section. Okay, let's take a look at the output. So you may say it is printing out first class, second class, third class. Why is it? So it is because when we create object of third class, what it does, it goes JVM goes to this line and it says it is like extending second constructor. So JVM automatically creates object of second class also. So as soon as it creates the object of second class, it'll see that it extends first class. So it'll go to class first and it'll create an object of first class. So as soon as object is created, this constructor will be called and therefore first class, it will be printed first of all, then it will print second class, then third class. I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just rewind the video, take another look at it. Also, you can ask us in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to help you guys. Until then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.